tingin. Ako'y nakahinga dahil sa'yo. Tadhana may di natin pwedeng alamin. Liliwanag ang datungo sa'yo. Dito ka sa puso ko. Kung ito'y pag-ibig nga, takot ay di nadama. Dito ka lang palagi sa aking tabi. Lahat
And my love wasn't here with me tonight. I would live with you for just a little while, but I love him the same way as I love you now. And I'm sorry I can't be with you tonight.
how are they to know? Someday they'd meet again and have a need for more than reminiscent. Maybe this time it will be love and they'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life and it feels so right. Maybe this time love won't end. It's the same old feeling back again. It's the one that they had back when they were too young to know when love is real. But somehow some things never change.
May balak kang iwan ako. Nababasa ko sa mga mata mo na may mahal ka ng iba, at sa akin ay ayaw mo na. Ano bang kasalanan ko sa'yo? Ipaglalaban ko pag-ibig ko sa'yo. Di ako papayag agawin kanya sa piling ko, pagkat mahal na mahal kita. Sa puso ko ikaw lamang. Mawala ka sa buhay ko, di ko kaya.
Here I am, I'm looking out my window. I'm dreaming about you. Can't let you go. At 6 o'clock in the morning, I feel you beside me. And I know that it might seem too late for love, for love. Oh, 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 I need you now. More than words can say, I need you now. I've gotta find a way, I need you now.